How to post on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to post easy and simple on Facebook. Go to your Facebook. Now you have the profile icon up there, click on it, or you can just click on those and click on your profile here. And here all you need to do is click on, you can post from here or you can just post from here, wherever you want. Now you can choose photo to post a photo or statue or write something on your mind. You can now tag people. If you are done, write what you want. For example, choose one of those, and all you need to do is click on tag people, and if you are done, click on post, which is up there, and this is it. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.